I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Zii. First, ensure all Adobe applications are completely closed. It's crucial to disconnect your computer from the internet before proceeding. Temporarily disable any antivirus software you might have running, as it could interfere with the patching process. These initial steps are vital for a smooth and successful operation, preparing your system for the next stage. Once your system is prepared, locate the downloaded Adobe Zii application. Double-click to open it. You will see a simple window with a prominent patch button. Click this button once. The application will then automatically detect and patch your installed Adobe products. Please be patient. This process usually takes only a few moments to complete, indicated by a completed message. After the patching process finishes, you can verify its success by opening one of your Adobe applications. If it launches without asking for a license, you're all set. If not, try running the patcher again, ensuring all Adobe apps are closed. Sometimes, checking your Adobe application versions for compatibility with the Zii version can help. Remember, staying offline during this step is key. Before attempting any patching, always ensure your Adobe applications are updated to their latest compatible versions. It is also a good practice to back up any critical files or projects before making system-level changes. Once everything is confirmed, you can safely reconnect to the internet and re-enable your antivirus software. Following these simple guidelines will help ensure a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.